everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make this beautiful full cycle skirt. You can see how beautiful it is. There is no zip, there is no joining anywhere. You can see it. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you want to see how I made it, please keep watching. And also, if you're yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell for you to be notified each time I make a new upload. Thank you. So let's move over to the tutorial. So this is the fabric I'm using to make my skirt. Take note that there are different types of fabric that comes with different types of length. Like this, my fabric, it comes by 60. Most chiffons, satins comes by 60, but Ankara comes by 45. So if I should go ahead and use an Ankara for this style, I will definitely have to add something or my skirt will be shorter. So that's it. But this one I'm using comes by 60. Also, when making this video, I noticed that it was not large enough, so I had to make use of paper illustration for some people to understand much more better. So please try as much as possible to use your own measurement. Thank you. So the measurements we'll be needing to cut our skirt is we need the waist measurement, and the waist I'm using is 30 inches. Then the skirt is also going to have a band of 2 inch. It's going to have a band of 2 inch. Then the total length of my skirt is going to be 30. But remember that the skirt is going to have a band of 2 inch. So 30 minus 2 is equals to 28. So the flare is going to be 28, while the band is going to be 2 inch. Like I said earlier, let me explain it. This is the total length is 30. Total length is 30, but here is 2 inch. Then here to here is 28. So 28 plus 2 is equals to 30. So the total length of the skirt is 30. So I hope you understand what I try to explain. So that's that. Then for the circumference is just to get your circumference, you just say your waist over 6.28, 6.28, which is going to give us 4.77. So in order to be able to measure it on your tape, you can just approximate it to 4.7, 4.75. That's 4 and 3/4. So that's that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So in order to cut the fold, that's after folding it. So what you need to measure on your fabric, what you need to measure on your fabric is that's 28 plus 4.75, which is equals to 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32.75. So that's just what you need to um when you fold, what you need to measure. But I'm going to show you and explain it again. Like I said earlier, the waist I'm using is 30, and the skirt is going to have a band of 2 inch. Then the total length of the skirt is 30. 30 minus 2 inch, that's which is for the band, is 28. So like I said earlier, the full length of the skirt is going to be 30. That's the band is 2, the flare is 28, and 28 plus 2 is going to give us 30, which is the total length of the skirt. So to get our circumference is just your waist divided by 6.28, which is going to give us 4.77. So you can just approximate it to 4.75 to be able to measure it on your measuring tape. So that's it. Then on the flare, sorry, when folding, this is just what you are going to cut out from the flare, because from this one now, you know that after folding, let me explain. After folding, example, here from here to here is going to be 4.75. 4.75. Then from here to here, don't mind the rough, this is going to be 28. Here is going to be cut out. Here is going to be 28. So when you add it, that's what is going to give us here, 32. So that is that. So let me show you how I fold the cloth. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I have a detailed tutorial on how to cut your 360 flare, which is same thing with this. So I'm going to put the link on the description box in case you don't really understand, for you to know more. So just go and watch that video, because it was just dedicated on how to cut your 360 flare. So that is it. So in order to fold your fabric, let's say example, this is my fabric, this is my fabric, this is my fabric. So what I'll do is just to fold here. You see it? When you fold here, then you fold here, then you fold here. So what you cut out is that 32.75. That's the length of flare, 28 plus the 4.75. That's the circumference, which is a total of 32.75. So I'm just assuming that this is it. This is it. So let me just take it round. So you see it. So let me get my scissors and cut it out. So let's say this is the 32.75. You just go ahead and cut it like this. So this is just it. This is just it. You see it. This is just it. Then to cut the circumference, that's where you attach to your band. So you measure the 4.75 here. 4.75. Let me just use this. This. So that is it. From here to here, from here to here is that 32.75. Then from here to here is 4.75. How will I write it for you so that you'll be able to see it? Okay, 4, let me see, let me draw the arrow. From here to here, 4.75. You see it? 4.75. Then from here to here, from here to here, it's 28 28 inches. 20 from here to here is 28. Here to here is 4.25. So that is it. So you go ahead and cut, and then when you add this together, that's when you get that 32.75. I hope you understand. So you just go ahead and cut it off. So that is it. You see it? So that is it. That is it. Then for the band is just fold it like this. From here to here, here to here is 2.5. That's 2 inch of the band plus 0.5 seam allowance. So this is the seam allowance, which equals to 2.5. So that's that. So just for you to just go ahead and attach each one and then put your rubber. I hope you understand what I try to explain. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. You can see the flare. It flared very well. You can see it. So that is that. As you can see, I've gone ahead to cut the band. Unfold the band is um 2.5. The extra 0.5 inches for the same allowance. That's what I used to join the band to the down part of the skirt. You see, it's 2.5. So that's that. And then the length I'm using is 30. My waist circumference is 30. So I cut out 32. That's extra 2 inch. That's 1 inch on both sides for the same allowance, which is 32. And then for the band also, I also cut same 32. I also cut same 32. My waist circumference is 30 with same allowance that we used to join there. So that's that. So what I'm going to do is also, before I go ahead, if you can decide to minus 1 inch from this, it's elastic. You can decide to minus 1 inch. So instead of, like, maybe for your actual waist, which is 30 on the band, you can decide to cut that 29 plus 2 inch. Same allowance for joining it is a total of 31. So it all depends how firm you want it to be on your waist. So that is still going to work. Then what I'm going to do next is just to go ahead. And also, if you have a weaving machine, just go ahead and weave this. Go ahead and weave this. It's going to look more finer. Then just take notes. Then keep sewing. You sew around. When starting, just leave about 1 inch and sew round. So when you sew round and get to where this one is, what you do is you just open it up like this. Remember, it's like this. Let me just explain to us. Let me fold it properly so that we get to understand, like this. I hope you can see it. So when you get to this side, what you do is just to open it up like this. So these are the extreme ends. Open it up like this. Then stitch it together. When you stitch it together, then you can fold it and then continue. Make sure that you leave a hole that you used to pass your band. So after that, you just go ahead and cover it and hem the end of your skirt, and you are good to go. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Kindly subscribe if you are yet to do so. So it's like on your way next time with another that interesting tutorial. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.